Hey students, so now that we know a little bit more about clocks, we're ready to dive a little bit deeper into learning how to tell time and what things are. Now the first thing we want to keep in mind is remember that there are two types of common clocks. There's the digital clocks right here, and then there's the analog clocks right here. The digital clocks are going to be a lot easier to tell what time it is. You always have the hour side on this side, and then the minute side on this side, the right side. So once again, hours on a digital clock are going to be on the left. Minutes on a digital clock are going to be on the right. So then what we have here is an analog clock. An analog clock is composed of two things. It's composed of the small hand to tell you the minutes and the large hand to tell you the hours. Now what happens is when you're able to read one of these clocks, you're able to put the little hand and the big hand together and you'll know what time it is. This entire numbers, hands, and everything else is called a face. So we use the face, this entire thing, with the hands right over here to tell you what time it is. Now let's practice that a little bit to show you guys what it's all about. So we're going to go here, and it's time to practice with you guys. It's going to be a lot of fun, so get ready, guys.
Are you ready to learn to tell time?
We sure are.
Okay, let's go. What time?
Pause. So they're asking you what time it is. So now let's look at what we know as far as what tells what. So this little hand will tell you the hour, and this big hand will tell you the minutes. So this right now tells me that because it's starting at here, at the 12, the big hand, that means that the big hand is telling you it's 0, 0. When it's all the way at the top, that's what that means. So this means it's 1 o'clock, because the little hand is pointing straight to the 1. So let's see.
It's 1 o'clock. What time is it? It's 2 o'clock. What time is it? It's 3 o'clock. What time is it?
Let's see. Now guys, so now that we know the information, let's figure out what time do you guys think it could be. Now, the little hand is at the 4, the big hand is at the 12, which means 0, 0. So you guys guess, take a couple minutes, or a couple seconds, and tell me, what do you guys think what time it is? And let's find out if it's true or not.
It's 4 o'clock. What time is it? It's 5 o'clock. What time is it? It's 6 o'clock.
Alright guys, so now we know how to tell what hour it is based on looking at both digital clocks right here, and then the analogs right over here. So remember, little hand tells you hour, big hand tells you minute, and when it's at 12, that means it's 0, 0. Okay guys? Thanks, and we look forward to teaching you guys some more.